Did you know that joining a wellness challenge can increase your chances of hitting your health goals by a whopping 90%? That's right, 90%. Imagine the possibilities when you have a structured plan and a supportive community cheering you on every step of the way. It's like having a superpower, but instead of a cape, you get a boost of motivation and support. This support system can be the difference between giving up and pushing through those tough days. We all know that taking care of our well-being is important. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good from the inside out. Mental clarity, emotional stability, and physical health are all interconnected. But let's be honest, sometimes life gets in the way. Our schedules are packed, responsibilities pile up, and it feels like there's no time for self-care. We get busy, stressed, and those healthy habits we promised ourselves we'd stick to, they often get pushed aside. It's easy to skip a workout or grab an unhealthy snack when you're overwhelmed. Well, they can easily fall by the wayside. And once we start slipping, it can be hard to get back on track. That's why having a structured plan and a community can be so beneficial. That's where wellness challenges come in. They offer a roadmap to follow, making it easier to stay committed. Plus, the camaraderie and accountability from others can be incredibly motivating. They provide that extra nudge, that sense of community, and that sprinkle of fun that can make all the difference in our journey towards a healthier, happier us. Imagine looking forward to your workouts because they are enjoyable and you're doing them with friends. So, if you're ready to supercharge your wellness journey, buckle up. Embrace the challenge and let the collective energy of the group propel you forward. Let's dive into the world of wellness challenges and discover how they can transform your life. From boosting your physical health to enhancing your mental well-being, the benefits are endless. Get ready to unlock a new level of vitality and joy. Okay, before we go any further, let's break down what a wellness challenge actually is. Simply put, it's a set period where you focus on improving a specific aspect of your well-being. This could be anything from drinking more water to incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine. Think of it like a fun experiment with your health. You set a goal, choose a challenge, and track your progress over a defined time frame. The best part? You don't have to do it alone. Wellness challenges are popping up everywhere, from workplaces to social media platforms. Why? Because they work. They offer a structured approach to improving our health and well-being, often with the added bonus of a supportive community to cheer us on. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the struggle to stay motivated and stick to our wellness goals. We've all been there. You start with the best intentions, full of enthusiasm and ready to conquer the world, or at least your health goals. But then, life happens. Work gets hectic. The kids have a million activities, and suddenly, that healthy meal prep you planned goes out the window. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and discouraged, leading us to abandon our goals altogether. The good news is, you're not alone. Many people struggle with staying motivated and forming lasting, healthy habits. We're creatures of comfort, and change can be tough. But introducing a structured challenge can be the antidote to this common problem. The beauty of wellness challenges is that they come in all shapes and sizes. Whether you're a seasoned health nut or just starting your wellness journey, there's a challenge out there for you. Want to boost your physical health? Try a 30-day fitness challenge focusing on a different activity each day. Feeling stressed and overwhelmed? Explore a mindfulness challenge, incorporating meditation or gratitude practices into your daily routine. Looking to improve your diet? A 21-day sugar detox or a week-long plant-based eating challenge can work wonders. You can even find challenges focused on sleep, hydration, or personal growth. Remember, the key is to choose a challenge that resonates with you and aligns with your personal wellness goals. How to craft your own wellness journey. While there are tons of pre-designed challenges out there, creating your own can be even more rewarding. It allows you to personalize the experience and tailor it to your specific needs and preferences. Start by identifying the area of your well-being you want to focus on. Do you want to move more, eat healthier, manage stress better, or cultivate a more positive mindset? Once you have a clear goal in mind, it's time to break it down into smaller, manageable steps. For instance, if your goal is to incorporate more movement into your day, your challenge could involve walking for 30 minutes each day, trying a new workout class each week, or simply taking the stairs instead of the elevator. To keep yourself motivated, consider tracking your progress. Use a wellness journal, a fitness app, or even a simple calendar to mark your achievements. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each step forward is a step towards a healthier, happier you. You might also find it helpful to join a community or find a wellness buddy. Sharing your journey with others can provide additional support and accountability. Remember, it's okay to adjust your goals as you go. Life is dynamic, and your wellness journey should be flexible enough to adapt to changes. Incorporate mindfulness and self-reflection into your routine. Taking time to reflect on your progress and how you feel can provide valuable insights and keep you aligned with your goals. Don't be afraid to explore new activities and hobbies. Sometimes, stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to discovering new passions and interests that contribute to your overall well-being. Ultimately, crafting your own wellness journey is about finding balance and joy in your life. It's a personal and evolving process that should bring you closer to your best self. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the positive changes you are making for yourself. Your wellness journey is uniquely yours, and every step you take is a testament to your commitment to a healthier, happier life. Ready, set, challenge. To set yourself up for success, it's essential to establish a clear plan and time frame for your challenge. A 30-day challenge is a popular option, as it provides enough time to establish new habits without feeling overwhelming. Next, gather your support system. This could be friends, family members, or even an online community. Having a support network can provide motivation, accountability, and a sense of camaraderie. Finally, don't forget to track your progress and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. This could involve using a journal, a tracking app, or simply sharing your achievements with your support system. Share the wellness love. Wellness is contagious. Once you've experienced the transformative power of a wellness challenge, why not spread the love? Share your experiences with friends, family, or even on social media. You can inspire others to prioritize their well-being and embark on their own wellness journeys. Who knows? You might even start a ripple effect, creating a healthier and happier community around you. Remember, every step towards a healthier lifestyle counts, no matter how small. By sharing your journey, you empower others to do the same. It's time to feel better. So, there you have it. The why, the what, and the how of wellness challenges. These challenges are designed to push you out of your comfort zone and help you discover new aspects of your well-being. They can range from physical activities like yoga and running to mental exercises like meditation and journaling. They're more than just a trend. They're a powerful tool for creating lasting positive change in our lives. By participating in these challenges, you not only improve your physical health, but also enhance your mental and emotional well-being. The sense of accomplishment you feel after completing a challenge can be incredibly motivating and uplifting. Whether you choose to join an existing challenge or create your own, remember to approach it with a sense of fun, curiosity, and self-compassion. It's important to listen to your body and mind, and not to push yourself too hard. The goal is to enjoy the process and learn more about yourself along the way. The journey to well-being is ongoing, and every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to living your healthiest, happiest life. Celebrate your progress, no matter how minor it may seem. Each small victory is a step towards a larger goal, and it's important to acknowledge and appreciate your efforts. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Your experiences and insights can be incredibly valuable to others who are on a similar journey. Sharing your story can inspire and motivate others to take their first step towards better health and well-being. What are your biggest wellness goals, and what kind of challenge are you thinking of trying? Are you looking to improve your physical fitness, enhance your mental clarity, or perhaps find a better work-life balance? Whatever your goals may be, there's a wellness challenge out there for you. Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this incredible journey. By coming together as a community, we can support and encourage one another to reach our wellness goals. Let's make this journey to well-being a collective effort, where we lift each other up and celebrate our successes together.